My name is Rupesh Kumar and I am going to present my dashboard, Power BI dashboard. At first, we start with my dataset. This is my dataset where more than 3 lakh rows are present and many columns are present there. The first column is case status, which is certified or not certified, like this type of status. Then next employer name, next SOC name, the next job title like software engineer, program analytics, and many more. And next full-time positions like full-time employee, yes, y is stand for yes, and no is stand for, n is stand for no. And then next privilege wage and year, and then next worksite location and location longitude and latitude. Then move forward to my dashboard. This is my dashboard, which is employer data analysis dashboard. First, here we can see that the count of employee, the total count of employee is 0.24 million, and this is slicer, and this is another slicer, and this is count of work site, and this is a KPI. Now let's talk about my first chart. This chart show the employee by job title and position. Here we can say that the program, yeah, in programmer section there are many more than employee, and this is zoom slider. By using this we can be show our data labels which is not visible, and accordingly. Then next this is another pie chart which show employer by position. Here we can see that the 85% employer are full-time position and 14.2% employer are not full-time positions. The next chart show that top 10 worksite location. Here we can see that the top 10 worksite location is present in United States only. And then next we can see here employer by year wise. We can see in this chart in 2012 we have 0.42 million employer. Then it is increased year wise. The next chart show employer by work site. So we can see here the Illinois and New Mexico City are the top employer city. And then next privilege by employer we can see in this bar chart. Infosys Limited are the top of this. Next move forward to our conclusion report. In this report we can see that key metrics overview. Here we can see that count of employee which is 0.24 million, and next work site location. And then next if we are talking about employer distribution analysis by job title and position. The top job title contribute to employer counts are programmer which are 0.20 million, and then next software engineer which are 0.11 millions, and many more. These three roles dominance the data reflecting on focus on IT and technical field. Let's talk about by position type. Full-time position. Here we can say that 85% employer are full-time position, which count was count is 2.58 million. Then next talking about geographical insights. The highest contribution of employees is separated across the United States. The top worksite are Gion, Illinois, which is 66 employers, and then next New Mexico 50 employer, and followed by in Indiana 28 employers. This suggests that similar towns or less permanent area are emerging the significant employers hub. Then next, if we are talking about employer growth over time, we can see here that the employer by year shows consistent growth. We can see that in 2012, 0.36 million, and then it is growth on 2016, which is 0.65. This growth trends highlights an increasing demands for over the year. Next, we are talking about wage distribution by employer. The privileging wage by employer is led by Infosys Limited, which is $12.2 billion, then followed by Gradian Health, which are $7 billion, and then next Google Inc., which is 5.1 billion. These companies play a significant role for driving high wage value. So, in final conclusion, the dashboard indicates the position of growth employee opportunity, particularly in IT and software related field, which is a strong performance for full-time position. This wage contribute from top employer like Infosys and Google, showcase their demand dominance in the market. Additionally, worksite is similar region. Example is Geon and Aliens are playing a critical role in job distribution. Overall, the employment landscape demonstrate a steady growth and prominence opportunity. Thank you. That's all about my side.